Today we'll be demonstrating how to make a terpene-infused vape e-liquid. By adding specialized terpene solutions, you can customize every flavor and effect to your liking. What you'll need is a temperature-controlled hot plate, a pair of heat-proof gloves, a cannabis terpene starter kit available at Vapeur Terp, a 3 ml lure lock syringe with a 14 gauge needle, 4 ml vial for mixing, your concentrate or extract of your choice, and 1 bottle of Vapeur Terp pure or strain-specific terpenes. Step 1. In the glass vial, mix together your concentrate and terpenes at a ratio of 0.1 ml through 0.5 ml of terpenes for each 1 gram of concentrate. Step 2. Heat the mixture at a temperature below 150 degrees Fahrenheit until it melts together into a unified liquid. Step 3. Remove the vial from the hot plate using heat-proof gloves. Stir the mixture to complete the fusion process. Step 4. Transfer the solution into your cartridge using the syringe.